Example problem 8 asks us to determine whether statements A through E are true or false. A reads, a concave mirror can form both real and virtual images depending on the position of the object. A is true because images can be located either behind or in front of a concave mirror, and they can be either upright or inverted depending on the situation. So that is true. B reads, real images can be seen on a screen at the image position because different light rays from a point on the object meet at a single image point. B is true. And the reason why is because that's the very definition of a real image, when light rays converge, regardless if it's on a screen or if it's not on a screen. So that is true. C is all virtual images are upright. That is also true. And that's just a fact. And then as well as D is also true. It's just a fact. All real images are inverted. And E is mirrors of all types can only form virtual images. That is false. And the reason why is because concave mirrors can actually form real images as well as virtual images. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions about example problem 8.